Hello, welcome back. Today we have on the bench the Fluke 183 True RMS digital multimeter. This multimeter, I don't know the exact year that this multimeter came out, but it's been out for sure over 20 years for sure. This same exact multimeter, somewhere, don't know what, again, I don't know what year, some of you may know, Fluke had licensed Tektronix to make the same exact multimeter for them. Now, Tektronix have one, and the model number, same exact multimeter. They have it modeled under the number Tektronix TX3, I believe. And the only difference between the two is the yellow rubber boot. The Tektronix is blue. Same exact meter, different model number, same exact meter. Now, before we get into a whole lot of talking about this meter is it's a really nice multimeter. There's not anything that's anything that pops out to make you want to. I guess back then you did. But there's nothing really special about this multimeter. It does just a basic, has basic functions, basically. Now, what makes it so attractive is the elusiveness of it. Meaning you can't find it. It's very, very hard to find. They make two models, the 183 and the 185. This is the 183, the Fluke 183. Now, again, like I said, this meter is very elusive. You may run across one. You have a better chance running across the one that Tektronix has for sale, which is the TX3. You have a better, and then if you do run across that one, it's all tore to pieces. And they selling the ones that I've seen on eBay by Tektronix. Half the bottom is missing. It doesn't have any rubber boot, protective boot on it or anything. And they selling it for like $200, $300. Don't know why. It's just, I wouldn't buy it, that's what I'm saying. Perfect condition, most I'll pay for it, maybe $200. Anything over that, I wouldn't pay for it. It's just a multimeter. It's just a multimeter with basic functions. If I had to choose between this multimeter and the Fluke 87.5, give me the Fluke 87.5. Now, what I'm going to do is read off some of the features as well as the specifications about this multimeter, and then, we'll talk some more about it, okay? Now, as far as the features, this is a true RMS multimeter. It has AC or AC plus DC functions. Meaning that when you engage the AC plus DC function, it'll select for you, automatically select for you. The bandwidth is 20 kilohertz and 5 kilohertz. The digital display count is 5,000 to 50,000 counts. Extra large and multiple display with large digits and backlight. Analog bar graph segments, 20 in its 20 segments. It has min-max average recording with relative timestamp. No, it doesn't have that. It don't have that. Oh yeah, no, I'm sorry. It do have that. You have a fast min-max recording, touch, hold, and relative modes for reference and offset measurements. Temperature readings. I don't see any temperature readings on here. Anyway, no, it doesn't. It doesn't. I was looking at it wrong, y'all. Anyway, they say they have a temperature reading and optional K-type thermocouple and adapter. They don't have that. You have 4 to 20 milliamp process loop measurements with percentage readout. It doesn't have that. Audible continuity and diode test, it has that. Duty cycle measurements, it has that. PC interface measurements. I don't see anything for, no, it's, this one don't have it. Let me see. Reading memory, and they have a 10. Okay. Easy battery exchange without opening the complete case. That's true. Removable protective holster. Yes, it has that. Now on the specifications, as functions, DC voltage at 1,000 volts. You have voltage AC at 1,000 volts. Current DC at 10 amps. Current AC at 10 amps. Resistance at 50 mega ohms. Capacitance at 5,000 microfarads. Frequency at 1 megahertz. Okay, temperature minus 50 Celsius plus 980 Celsius. dBm and dBV minus 74 / plus 60 dB. Battery life 100 hours, typical alkaline. The size, weight, including holster, is 203 millimeters by 97 millimeters by 51 millimeters. The weight is 675 grams. And they say you have a lifetime warranty. So even though this meter is discontinued, what they're telling me, if I call in and try to get this meter repaired, they'll fix it. Okay, that's good to know. But anyway, it is a real nice meter. It is a real nice meter. Again, I say the reason why it's so attractive, because it's hard to find. It's very elusive. You may not ever find one for years. And if you do, and it's in good shape and you want one, go on and get it. You know, it's not a bad meter. The backlight is not really bright at all. It's that greenish yellow backlight, and it's not really bright at all. There's nothing to write home about. And let me get you close so you can see the features. Okay, 1 second. Okay, there we go. Put it back a little bit more. Let you see. All right. What do they say? They say you have 10 amp max fused, Cat 3 at 1,000 volts. Amps, that's the common volts. Min-max range. We went over those already as far as the hertz. And the next feature up here will be continuity, resistance, a diode, capacitance, amperage. You have a hold feature, relative mode feature, memory, backlight, and it's a selection button. You have the soft keys up here, one for AC, DC, and AC/DC. Again, you have down here you have a fast min-max button. That's what they're talking about, I guess, to really capture the reading. And this is up here, like I showed you. This is the soft keys. I had the camera tilted wrong. But anyway, AC, DC, AC plus DC. And I don't know what this fourth one is. They have nothing over under it. So let me see. Nothing let me see again. Nothing happens. Let me turn it back on for you guys. Anyway, nothing happens. I'm gonna put the backlight on. It's on now, matter of fact. I'll just show you. It's not anything great. You know, the basic old Fluke. I really think, you know, this was in pretty decent condition. I was lucky enough to get it. I had to clean it up when I first got it. It was really dirty. And I did my best to clean it up. But it's in good shape. It really is in good shape. So, as far as the meter itself, it's okay. It's really accurate. I have no problem with it whatsoever. It's more like a, I guess it's an antique piece now. I don't use it that much. I did when I first got it, but I have enough meters now. When I do have one of my favorite meters around. Well, I have several favorite meters, but I'll do a video on a few of my favorite meters and let you see which one is my favorite meter. But anyway, this is a very nice multimeter, but I wouldn't, if I was to see one on the market, I wouldn't pay no more than about $200 for it. If I had to choose between this meter and the Fluke 87.5, I'm gonna grab the 87.5. Now this is durable too. Now I'm not saying that this is not a durable meter. This is just like any other Fluke. This sucker weighs it's feel real beefy. It has a nice weight to it. It doesn't feel hollow like some of these other meters on the market today. It really feels like it's made with quality materials. The plastic feel quality, the rubber boot, the whole meter itself is a quality made meter. So I don't want to give the wrong impression. It's just that I'm saying I wouldn't pay more than $200 for it if I was to see one. For this one, or it would have to be brand new for me to pay more than $200, and my max would be probably about $225. Anything other than that, no, I probably wouldn't. Not saying it's not worth it, but I just wouldn't spend that kind of money on it, you know. And but again, I just wanted to make a little quick video of this multimeter, because this is a really nice multimeter. Other than that, so and as far as the bag, this is a really nice, this that old-fashioned Fluke bag, that vinyl material. It's a really nice bag that came with it when I bought it. And the test leads, these are not the test leads that came with the Fluke. The ones that came with it, they were really, no, they didn't have a set of the original test leads. So I'm just putting these here. These are Fluke leads. This is the one that's twist locked. I just put these there because it is Fluke product. But these are not the original leads that come with this. But this bag did. But so anyway, guys, I just want to tell you thank you as always. I hope you liked the video. You know what to do. You know, hit that like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment. All that is in support of the channel. You don't have to pay a dime to do so. You know, if you love talking tools, you like my material that I put out, just support the channel. It's for free. So guys, today is Friday. You guys take care. And as always, I'll see you back here again when I shoot my next video. Take care.